Hello, everyone. I'm Eddie Puckett Jr., and I'm from Pryor Creek, Oklahoma. That's just about an hour northeast of Tulsa, Oklahoma. Most of you probably know where Tulsa's at. I decided to attend Drone Command Live after attending a free 1 hour live session. For me, my biggest takeaway was understanding the real framework of a drone business. The four pillars: pilot skills, rules and regulations, marketing, and business and development. Priceless, worth their weight in gold. Attending virtually was a big win for me. There was no hotel fees, no flights, just pure value. If you're on the fence and you're serious about growing your drone business, go ahead and pull the trigger and attend a Drone Command Live. The return on your investment is absolutely there. The notes alone are worth the price. The most valuable lesson for me has been understanding and identifying client hot buttons and turning them into real actionable strategies. I'm already putting them into work. Last but not least, we're going to talk about Damon and Diego. Those two, they're high energy, they're very knowledgeable, and they're genuinely inspiring. They make you want to level up immediately.